In this video, I'm going to show you how to work out the median from a larger set of data, i.e. from a table. So, first thing you need to do is understand the data. Well, I'm dealing with some data here and I have a frequency. In fact, this data is the age of people who attended a party. So, we need to understand that there were 5 18-year-olds at this party. There were 15 19-year-olds at this party, and so on. In fact, the oldest people at the party were 22. If we sum the frequency, it tells us how much data we have. In other words, there were 60 people at the party. And every person at the party was somewhere between the ages of 18 and 22. In fact, the data's already been organised, so it's already in order. And that's one of the things about the median, is you're trying to find the middle person. If we're dealing with people here, the middle person, and their age will be the median age for the people at the party. So you imagine these people in a line. The first people in the line are all 18. There are 5 people at the beginning. They're all 18 years of age. Now the people after them, they're all 19 years of age. But we need to know who's the middle person. So there's a formula that you can find the position of that median, of that middle person, if we're dealing with people here. And you may have seen this formula, but it doesn't give the median, it gives the position. You take n being the amount of data that you have, which is 60, you add 1 and you divide by 2, and this tells us the position. Now, because I have an even amount of data, I'm going to get a decimal number for the middle. And what that tells us is that the median is in between the middle two. Oh, well, let's have a look and I'll show you. So 60 plus 1 is 61, divided by 2 is 31.5. What that means, because we don't have half people, 31.5, that means that the median piece, or the median person, median age, is in between the 31st person and the 32nd person. So we need to find how old is the 31st person when they're in order, all 60 people in a line, and how old is the 32nd person. And then the middle is the median. Okay, that's what that tells me. So, as I was saying, they're all standing in a line. So if we look, 5 people, and there's 20 people, and we've got up to all the 19-year-olds. At the end of the 19-year-olds, we then go the 17, 20-year-olds. Well, 20 plus 17 takes us to 37. So the 37th person is right at the end of the 20-year-old line, which means the 31st person and the 32nd person also are standing in this group at that point in the line. So we can say that the median is 20 years of age. Okay, now it's really important that if you've got an even amount of data, you are going to get this to tell you what 2 numbers in between. If I only had an odd number, when I add 1 and divide by 2, there would be a middle person. So if this was only 59, I would add them together and the median would be the 30th person, which happens to actually still lie in the 20 age group. Okay, so that's really important to understand. Finding the median from a table is challenging, but it's all about imagining them all in a line, and where's the middle one, the 50th percentile.